Welcome back to Sakshiberadcoding YouTube channel. In the last video, we explored Python syntax and variables. Today, we will learn how to get input from the user and display output on the screen. The first step towards making interactive program. Let's start with output. In Python, we use the print function to show information on the screen. We see here print in round bracket in double quotes. Welcome to Python. Next line print 5 plus 3. The first line displays text. The second line displays the result of calculation. Remember, remember, if it's text, it must be inside quotes. Number can be written directly without quotes. Printing multiple values automatically adds spaces between values. This makes it easy to join text and variables without special formatting. Getting user input. Now let's make our program interactive with the input function. It allows user to input something into the program. Like see here, name equal to input, enter your name, print hello, comma name, comma welcome to Python. Here input shows the message inside the brackets and waits for the user to type something. Input is always a string. Important. Whatever you type using input is stored as a text even if it's number. If you need it as a number, convert it using int or float. Here is program we can see age equal to int in round bracket input in round bracket double quotes enter your age. It will input age. Print next year you will be age plus 1. It will print this message. Today we learned using print to show output, printing multiple values, using input to take user input, converting input to numbers. In the next video, we will explore data types and typecasting in Python. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more coding lessons with Sakshi Coding.